You, social media contributor, how do you come to be the one to announce what is happening to the Kabaka? You don't have enough decency to say, Banangi, ekino sikimanyi, sikiri nako bukakafu, kaninde, abakimanyi okunsinga, beba bakyogera. Why do you have to? So, those people, we shall go for them. The police is already looking for those people. I hope they have already got them now. So that really they explain why they want to ukanga abantu, to frighten people by such irresponsible behavior. Now, that same social media, and even some of the papers, like I hear that even our papers, like Ayogedde and our TV, we are showing how some of the opposition groups had defeated the NRM. Showing. Now, I told Nabakova, at least for Ayogedde and UBC, they should explain why they give unbalanced information. A journalist is supposed to inform, entertain, educate. A journalist is not supposed to miseducate or misinform. If he does that, he should not be a journalist. And I hear they are even saying that if you don't pay them money, if you don't bribe them, they will not announce your activities. This one we shall not accept. I told those involved that I don't want NRM bribing any journalist. If they don't want to do their work as journalists, they will go and work somewhere else, not in Uganda. The globe is big. You can go and work in Russia. You can go and work in... But here, you must work as a journalist. Journalist, you are duty-bound. We don't have to beg you. We don't have to bribe you. You are duty-bound to report the truth and verify the truth. If you don't do it, your license should be cancelled so that you don't operate here. Because the government is there to regulate conduct of these groups.